Hey everyone, this is Bicky here, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how I'm making $2,000 for every single sale. So guys, as you can see here, we are on my computer, and here you can see I made $2,000 commission. Okay, so it says congratulations Bicky, you have made a sale. Okay, and I got another sale that day. So guys, I made this $2,000 from just one single sale. Okay, and now let me go ahead and show you what other people are making as well. So here is a person by the name of Tim. He made $2,000, as you can see here, and he posted in the group as well. And then here is another person by the name of Simeon. As you can see, amount $2,350. So he also made over $2,000 in commission, and that's total of $29,000 for him. Okay, and then guys, there is another person by the name of Miles. He made $92,000 in 69 days. Okay, and as you can see here, he also made $2,000 in commission. So guys, here we all are making $2,000 for every single sale. Okay, so now guys, let me go ahead and show you how you can get on the same system and how you can make this $2,000 commission like me and like all other people. Okay, so first you will click the link from the description below, and then you will land on this page. So what you're gonna do is simply click on get started, and then you will fill this form. Okay, you will put your name, last name, email, password, address, and then you will click on submit. And here guys, you will land on the back office of this system. So as you can see here, this opportunity is called E1U Live. Okay, and what you're gonna do here is you will scroll down, and here you see Vertex Live, right? So you have to upgrade this package called Vertex Live. Like here you can see Vertex Live, it's one-time payment of 2,500. Okay, and these are the products that you get under this package. Okay, so you can see all the trainings here. So these are the training product that you get under Vertex Live package, right? So what you're gonna do guys, you will go to your Vertex Live here. So here you can see ROI panel, $4,000, and here you can see activate button, right? And this is $7,000. But what you have to do, you have to activate this Vertex Live package, which is 2,500 one-time payment. So you will activate this package, and then what will happen guys, you will get your affiliate link. Okay, like if I scroll here, you can see these are all opt-in pages. Okay, you don't have to create your own opt-in pages. The system provides the opt-in pages for you. So what you will do guys, here you will copy your opt-in page. So this is opt-in page number 6, as you can see. So this is your affiliate link guys. Okay, this is the affiliate link that you gonna promote. Okay, and you will send traffic to your affiliate link. That's how you gonna make sales. That's how you will make this $2,000 commission like me. Okay, so this is your affiliate link. Now your only job guys, your only job is to send the traffic to this link. Now how you gonna send the traffic? So this is the traffic sources that I'm using. Number one is free traffic. So you can send the traffic from TikTok to your affiliate link, and then you can use paid traffic. So paid traffic, you can use YouTube and solo ads. So these are the traffic sources you can use to send to your affiliate link, and that's how you will be able to make sale. And good thing is, for every single sale they pay you $2,000. So like you are seeing this person, he made $2,000 because he joined the system at the Vertex Live package, and that's why he is able to make $2,000 for every single sale. Okay, and then this person, Simeon, he also made $2,000 commission, as you can see here, $2,350. And then this person, he also made $2,000 commission. So once you activate your package, the Vertex Live, you become eligible to make $2,000 for every single sale. Okay, so this is very simple system guys, and this is working great right now. That's why I hopped on this system. So go ahead, click the link, and then create your account. Okay, and then activate your Vertex Live package, and then you will be able to send the traffic to your affiliate link and make commission like me and everyone else. Go ahead, do these steps, see you inside.